All right, 100K away, back with another video, and today we are driving to work, getting ready to get on the parkway. But I got a video to make today because I've been driving around here on the parkway and everything, and y'all do not know how to drive. So I'm just gonna come here with a driver etiquette video, you know, something real quick, real simple, 5 key points that you guys need to try to follow when you're driving to make sure that, you know, you're respectful to the other drivers on the road, you know, flowing the way you're supposed to, you know, and also following these tips will help prevent accidents on your part and on the other person's part as well if both of y'all follow the tips. So, and a little acceleration clip right here. Let's go back to auto. But so for point number 1, if you the type of person that's gonna be, you know, you just want to get from point A to point B, you don't want no issues, you don't want no problems, you're gonna drive the speed limit or even under, you know, where I'm at right now, this middle lane and the 2 lanes to my right, those are the lanes that you guys should be occupying when you on your, you know, your daily commute, your drive to wherever your destination is. That's where you should be. You're not causing any problems. If you're going slower than people want to go, there's 2 other lanes they could use on the left side, because remember, you're always only supposed to pass on the left. Always pass on the left. That's how you're supposed to do it. So you got 2 other lanes where people can pass you on the left. We're not causing no issues. So for number 1, make sure you're not occupying, you know, the 2 left lanes where people, you know, are supposed to be using the pass. Make sure you're not occupying those lanes. All right. So boom, let's jump into point number 2. When you were on the parkway, or cop right there. cop right there. Hold up. We got a police officer, state trooper. Look, Waze, yeah, he's still there. All right. So let's get back to it. So point number 2, you're on the parkway, trying to get to your destination. Make sure you guys is using your turn signal. All right, pop it on, check your mirror, blind spot, nobody there, make your lane change. You know what I'm saying? That's what you guys need to be doing, because, you know, one of the easiest ways to cause an accident, making a lane change without your signal on. I don't know why. It's almost like people bought cars without turn signals, or turn signal was a subscription and you gotta pay extra to use it. Bro, it's free. It's free. You turn it on as much as you want. Turn it on as much as you want. Ain't nobody gonna charge you. Ain't no fees, nothing. So make sure I use our turn signal. All right, so you see we in the left lane, the furthest left lane. So we're gonna jump into point number 3. If you consider yourself, now I want you guys to listen to me very carefully. If you consider yourself a left lane driver, I want you guys to ask yourself something real quick. Are you prepared to break the law? Are you a criminal? Are you a menace on the road? You Affinity drivers, you Accord drivers, Ultimate drivers, Maxima drivers, I'm talking about y'all. Who else be wilding out on the road? BMW drivers, I'm sorry, y'all be doing it. Y'all be doing it too. If you're not prepared to do that, I'ma need you to put this little turn signal on, check your blind spot, and move that behind over to this left lane so you can let people go by. Just like that. Just like that. That's exactly what you're supposed to. See, he clearly want to break the law more than the average person. You know? And then you look over, ain't nobody else trying to move, turn your turn signal on, and hop right back over. Simple as that. I didn't inconvenience them, you know, and I'm still going at the speed that I prefer to go at. which is the correct way to do things. All right, so with that being said, let's hop into, actually that was point number 3, and that was point number 4. Because point number 3 was, if you're in the left lane, be prepared to, drive at any speed necessary. That's what left lane drivers do. And then the 4th point was to make sure people's coming up behind you, you get out their way. We kind of demonstrated both of those right there. So we just killed 2 birds with 1 stone, knocked off point number 3 and number 4. All right, let's get to number 5 now. Number 5 is to make sure that you guys are always, and I mean always, checking both your mirrors before you make a lane change. Now, I mean, you check the one right there, checking the one right there, and check one right there. Because if you can do that religiously, consistently, every time you drive, being aware of all your mirrors, you gonna give yourself the best chance to, 1, avoid an accident, and 2, to just, know what cars are, because, kind of ties in with the previous point with, making sure you put your signal on. But if you put your signal on, you just turn, somebody could be coming down, moving, and if you just, switch lanes, well, boy, car gonna be done, and you might lose your life. So we dropping gems on you right now. So make sure that you guys are, being very aware of your surroundings when on the road, seeing where your blind spots are, who's in it, if the person's left your blind spot, because you never know when you need to make an emergency maneuver, and if you constantly surveying your situation, you're constantly aware of your surroundings, who's around you, you're gonna give yourself the best chance to make a quick maneuver, not in the process cause an accident. We starting to get a little rain now, you know what I'm saying? A little rain, a little traffic. But I just want to tap in with you guys for a quick little 5-part 5 keys to always make sure you maintain, make sure you're doing while you're driving on any parkway, expressway, freeway, any type of way. Make sure you're driving this way, So, we're gonna, let you guys go about y'all day. Just want to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So 100K away on YouTube, baby. And, we're gonna tap in with you guys later. Take care.
Discovery, go and throttle up.